Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable battery saver mode in Windows 11. If you want to do it, first you need to click rightmost button icon with start, and after that you need to go to settings. Then on the left panel you need to select system settings, and after that you need to open here power battery options. It will let you to adjust settings for sleeping, battery usage and battery saver mode. So I click on this one arrow. And after that I need to scroll down, and here you can find something like battery saver mode. On default it is set to extend battery life by limiting some notification and background activity at level at 10%. But of course you can change these settings. You can turn battery saver on automatically at 10% or never or always. Everything depends on your preferences. For example, I select here never. But if you want to manually enable battery saver mode, you can click here turn on now button. Then it will be enabled. Yeah, of course you can always turn it off if you want by clicking the same button. And if you want, you can always adjust settings for lower screen brightness when using battery saver. On default it is set to on, but you can turn it off if you want. So everything depends on your preferences. So it is how it works. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of a problem.